Welcome to Diigo. In this video you will learn how to create your account as well as create your first bookmark. To begin, you want to visit www.diigo.com. Once you arrive on this page, you want to choose Join Diigo. On this page you'll be able to create your account. On the left you can create a unique account, or you can use an existing account if you already have, let's say, a Yahoo or a Google or a Twitter or Facebook. You may have Facebook, so if you wanted to use that you could. You're going to create a Google account for this class, so if you wanted to do that first and then sign in with that, you could do that as well. Once you have your account, you want to sign in, and then if you chose Google, you can sign in with that, or you can sign in with whatever you use for that information on the left side of the screen. Here I will log in with Google. Once you log in, you'll notice that you see My Library, and of course that'll be your library. It tells you how many items you have, and that's just the number of bookmarks. It tells you how many tags you have, and the tags are the way you organize your information. You can also create lists. We won't use that feature. There's also a network that you can create, so this is good for collaborating with your peers or with colleagues or with people that you meet at conferences or people you know from other schools if they're using Diigo, or you can get them interested in using Diigo. You can also create groups, and when you create groups you can use that in your classroom if your students are doing some sort of project. And the good thing about this is that they do not have to have email addresses to use this, so that's something good for teachers. To create your first bookmark, what you'll need to do is find your resource, the thing that you want to save, and then make sure you evaluate it so you know that you want to save it up front. You click on this blue button that says Add, and if you hover over that, it's going to tell you what it does. And then you click on that. In the drop down you want to choose New Bookmark. You should check out these features. You will not need these for class, but you may be interested in these other features. So you just click on New Bookmark, and now you just need to have the URL, or Universal Resource Locator, for the resource that you're trying to save. So the best thing to do here is to have the browser open, and I'm just gonna go to a resource for a second, which is teachersfirst.com. I just go to the URL box or the address bar, copy the link, and then go back, and I'll choose to add that link there. Then I can give it a title. After I give it a title, give it a short description, because if you share these resources with someone, it's good to have a short description to help them out so they know what it is. And the best way to do that is to just look on the home page, because usually a website will tell you what it's about. You can copy that, go back to your bookmarks, and then paste that in the description. And now all you need is a tag. So this will vary from person to person. So here I might call this lessons, or I might call it resources. And then once you've done that, you can share it to a group if you created that, and that's easy enough. You click inside the square, you click in the drop down menu, and then you choose the group that you want to share it with. Now I have a group created already, so I click on that, and then I'll do Add New Bookmark. Now once I've done that, you see that the link has been saved. My title is here, the URL is here, and I can edit this. I can also delete it if I want to, and I can share it. And it also gives me the month and the day and the year that I saved it. And so this is going to be important information right here, and this is why you need to make sure that you are regularly submitting links each day. So, and the best way to do this is to do this while you read. When you encounter a web-based resource in your text, either while you're reading or at the end of the text when there's specific resources provided, you go to that link to make sure it works. There's one thing about books is that sometimes the links may change, so make sure that it's still a live link and it's something that you want to use. Once you've done that, be sure that you make your links as you read. That's the best way for you to keep up with this every day. I'll also be sending you information. So the thing that you want to show me at the end of the semester is that you've been gradually adding links, and you will not get credit. Let's say on the last week of January you enter all 30 of your links. You won't get credit for that. So you got to make sure that you're doing this on a regular basis. And that's all you need to do to get started with Diigo. If you have any questions, please let me know.